Guys, have you heard about the game Angry Birds?
Yeah, I've heard of it. Yeah, very popular game.
My sister played every day, man.
Hey, my sister plays it too.
Oh, your sister play also?
Yeah.
Sister or brother or uncle young people, right? My grandmother plays.
Wait, my grandmother plays also. My
Grandma plays it.
Hey, you guys ever wondered why such amazing ideas never come from Malaysia, despite our country is full of talented people?
Why ah?
I don't know. Maybe I think it's because.
Hi, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you.
Dr. Zan has been waiting for you.
Thank you.
Faster, not much time, you know. What idea? Faster.
Good evening, Uncle.
Okay. Faster. Idea.
I have this mind-blown idea. It's like a side-scrolling game, only better because everybody can play. What we do is we have birds of different shapes and sizes, cute little birds with different shapes and sizes. We line them up, and each bird, we have blue, green, white, with special abilities. Some explode, some just go straight, and some perhaps break into tree. And all what we do is we put them on like a slingshot, aim them, and pull it. Like for instance, I will pull these birds back and shoot them towards a castle where pigs live in. And these birds will destroy this castle and a pig alongside. How cool is that?
You just now mentioned about pig, babi.
Yeah, we have.
Actually, you see, the puppy is haram, you know. It's very good.
Right.
Your idea, I very, what I say, very spectacle. Apa? Skeptical lah. Yes, you see, I tell you what's good idea that I just recently invested. In this company give out free email for $1, you know. We get my email for $1. Very good to all the people.
Yes, but Google does that for free.
It's Google, this other country, we help our country, by the country quota, you know. Young man, you very enthusiastic, you very powerful, I give you very good tips, you don't waste your time, I give you very good tips. If you want to successful here, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Next time, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, man. I don't know your name. You got the email right here. You come and look for me. Hey, young babi is haram. Don't know why. Hi.
Maybe I was wrong.
Hi! Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we don't usually talk like that, but by the way, this is Jason, very talented. Brian, our cameraman, and you may see a little bit too much of him at the ending scene. And this is Special Secretary, Yenny. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep on watching.
Bad hair day, I know. I'll improve on it.